keyword research and keyword stuffing. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, and in this video I'm speaking about keyword research, but with a particular focus on keyword stuffing. Now, I've spoken about keywords in previous videos. I've spoken about LSI keywords, and I've also spoken about, keyword research tips in the past. So I'll leave a few videos in the description down below so you can check some of those out. But in this video, I wanted to speak about keyword stuffing, what it means, why you should avoid it, and what you can do as an alternative to ensure that the content on your website is still keyword rich without you having to spam keywords within your content. Essentially, keyword stuffing is when you overuse your keywords on a particular page and it basically doesn't really read naturally, and Google bots can actually tell when you've been keyword stuffing, and this lowers the overall value of your website. I've actually done videos in the past of authority and website authority and how important it is and how you should be building your website authority over time, and I'll link that in the description down below. But essentially, if you're doing things like keyword spamming and overusing keywords on any particular page on your website, you're going to lower the overall value and the overall domain authority of your website if you keep doing it, and it's actually going to have a negative effect on your search engine rankings rather than having a positive effect. So let's say you identify a keyword that you want to be found for on Google or other major search engines, and you're writing an article or you're writing a page on your website, and you want that page to be keyword rich with whatever keyword it is that you have identified. The last thing you want to do is overuse that keyword on that particular page or on that particular post. You want to include that keyword in ways that are natural. Obviously, you're probably going to want to use that keyword in the title and maybe even in the subtitle, or maybe have a variation of that keyword in the subtitle. And then you're going to want to find LSI keywords. Again, I speak about LSI keywords in another video, so make sure you go and check the description where I'm going to put that video so you can find out more about what LSI keywords actually are. But you want to use variations of your keywords within the body of your text. And again, just to reiterate, not overuse it, not make your content just sound like it doesn't read very well. You want to write your content for humans, not for search engines. And obviously, you want your keywords to be included in your content, but you want to make sure that your content actually reads really well, because essentially Google are looking to serve up quality content to their readers. And if your content doesn't read well, and if it just looks all spammy, then that's not the kind of content that Google want to actually show as search results to their website visitors, so you're unlikely to actually even rank. So essentially, whenever you're writing a page or a post on your website, regardless of what keyword you are actually trying to rank for, you want to make sure that you have your end user in mind before you even have your search engines in mind. And obviously, you want to make sure that you're using your keywords but not overusing your keywords. Write in a way that's going to be beneficial for your users, for the people who actually come across your website. Make sure your content is valuable, make sure your content reads well, make sure your grammar and your spelling is as good as you can possibly get it. And you want to make sure that you're producing quality content on your website on a consistent basis, and the more that Google sees this is the higher your website authority is going to get, and the more likely you are to rank individual blog posts and web pages over time. I say it all the time because it's true, because search engine optimization is a marathon, not a sprint. You want to make sure you're doing things on a consistent basis on your website, and when you're producing your blog articles that help the domain authority and the overall authority of your website, and this in turn is going to help you in the long run to gain favor with search engines such as Google. So hopefully after watching this video you have a better understanding of keywords and why you shouldn't be keyword stuffing, and things you can do alternatively to keyword stuffing, like making sure that your content is actually really quality and that you're writing for human beings first and search engines second. If you did find this video really useful, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.